Okay, so again, the seafood festival is there. I guess this is parking. This is 10th, because beyond those trees, well, right there is the guardhouse for the lifeguards. And we have volleyball on the beach for South Beach. And I like to make the distinction and continue to call this South Beach to differentiate between Miami Beach. On one of the earlier videos, I said something to the effect of they've stretched the boundaries for South Beach. South Beach used to be originally, as they call it, above 5th and between 15th. Now the boundaries may go as high as 5th to 24, 25 Street. In fact, it may go as high as from the point of Miami, which is the Point Pier to 25th Street. So now you have more entities getting in on the South Beach name and craze. Okay, 9th Street. I talked about Wet Woolies. Okay, do I wash my feet? I say no. Okay, so I guess this is the morning fitness group. Do you remember the days when you could do these things? Well, it's not too far off now anyway. One day at a time. Okay. All right. The Grand Casa, I thought that, or Casa Grande, I thought that was one of the best opportunities to get a one-bedroom studio condo here on the beach. The prices have starting to go back up, but being that it was a older facility, the rooms were very large, and they had to compete with a lot of these new buildings, so they lowered the price. Well, okay, so we see our surveillance security camera. It's probably a biometric camera also. Shot spotter is not on that one, but shot spotter is on the one that's at the corner. Okay, so here's our destination, News Cafe. Let's see, no line, and I probably will be able to get a table on the balcony. All right. One thing about living on the beach, you're never too far away from some activity. So with all the activity, it encourages you to get out and be active. Today's a nice day, therefore it's probably going to be pretty crowded. Okay, I pointed earlier to Wet Woolies. Wet Woolies is one of the few destinations here on Ocean Drive that has a upstairs, which will allow you to see across to the beach. Okay, News Cafe. GoPro stop capturing.